Hi team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating this asthma awareness infographic. So first, I decided to use a complementary color scheme, as you can see on the right here, to create vibrant visuals that draw the reader's attention. I chose grayscale to be my base color, I chose blue to be my secondary color, and I chose orange to be my highlight color. Next, the principle of contrast is the difference in visual weight between elements, such as this dark gray box and this orange number here. I applied contrast in this top section by darkening the background behind the statement piece, and in this pie chart also by making every slice but the slice I wanted to highlight grayscale. Next, I used the principle of similarity and anomaly in my isotype. This means that when objects look the same, viewers will see them as a group, and that if one or two objects, like the children on the right, are altered, it draws attention to them. Next, I used the principle of visual hierarchy in my number sizes to imply different levels of importance. Finally, all 5 sections at the bottom here are aligned horizontally in their divided boxes, inside of each box being a different supporting point. Please let me know if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you.